Now, today we are starting with the lesson of numbers, basically number sense. Okay. And we are learning about place value in this. Then we are learning about greater than, lesser than, ascending order, descending order. What are the even numbers? What are the odd numbers?
Plus, minus.
No, addition, subtraction, we'll do it in a different class. Okay.
That's okay. You don't need
Today's
to pay.
class is just
It's
about
okay. If she asks only then.
understanding numbers and number sense. Okay. Hi, darling. Where are you? Are you traveling?
Okay, miss. Yes, miss. I'm just traveling to home.
Acha. Okay. ठीक है. Just listen to the session till then. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Now let's pay attention. Now, in number sense, the first thing that you must know is what are natural numbers and what are whole numbers. Can anybody tell me what are natural numbers? You don't know that? You can just quickly unmute. See, whenever I ask you a question, you can quickly unmute and answer that. What are natural numbers?
Ma'am,
Yes.
are they repeated IDs?
No. Yes, Sakshi?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now,
8,
natural
9.
numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, they keep on going infinitely. Okay. And the second is the whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers has the inclusion of 0 in it. Okay. So 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and like this. They keep on going infinitely. Okay. Natural numbers start with 1. Whole numbers start with 0. Okay. Copy this in your notebook so that you remember it whenever we do the revision next time.
Ma'am, I don't have my notebook.
Darling, it's okay. You can watch the recording later on and then copy it in the notebook. Okay. Natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, and onwards. And whole numbers start with 0, 1, 2, 3. So basically, whole numbers are what? All the natural numbers plus 0. That's it. You have to remember it like that. Yes, Ara?
Ma'am, I've done writing.
Okay. Let's give everyone time to write. Sakshi done? I'll check it later on. Okay. Now let's just go to the next part. And the next part is place value. Okay. What is place value?
Like place value was like suppose the number is 200. So in the hundredth place it will be 200, and in
Will be
the
2.
in the yeah,
Correct.
So,
So
if there is a
basically,
number like 290, so on the hundreds place it will be 200, tens place it will be 10, and ones place it will be 9.
okay, correct. Now everybody look here. So basically, what are we doing? Place value means any digit number that we write. It can be 1-digit number, it can be 2-digit number, it can be 3-digit numbers. Okay, any number of digits it can have, but every digit in that number has a certain place, and that place decides its value. Okay, so for example, if I'm writing a 4-digit number, 5,432. If I'm writing this number, how many digits it has? It has 4 digits.
4
Correct?
digits, ma'am.
Now, what is the place of 2? It is ones place. Right? What is the place of 3?
And tens place.
Tens place.
30.
What is the
30.
no? Tell me the place name. I don't want the value. Value is different, place is different. What is the place of 4? It is in the hundreds.
Hundreds.
What is the place of 5? 5 is in the
Thousands.
thousands place.
Thousands.
Correct? So this is the place from the place value. And now let's discuss the value of each number. Since it is ones, 2's value is 1. Right? So the number remains the same. Now 3 is in the tens place. Hence, 3 into 10, which makes its value as 30. Correct? Now 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. So what would we do here? 4 multiplied by 100, which will give me the value of 400. Correct? And now 5. Number 5, the digit 5 is present in which place? Thousands place.
1000 place.
Hence, we multiply 5 by 1000,
1000.
which will give me its value as
5000.
Now, when I add it like this, 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2, which will give me 5,432, our original number. Correct? And now,
Yes.
this part or this way of writing is called as expanded form. Do we know this expanded form?
Yes. Yes, miss.
Yes.
And
Right.
when any numbers come, it is very easy to remember, like 5 or 5000.
Correct. But now this expanded form is in numerical way, that is using numbers. So this is numerical way. Can we also write the same place value in words? What would that be? It would look something like this. 5 thousands, 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 2 ones. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. So a place value can be written in 2 ways, in 2 methods. First one is the numerical method. Okay. In that we use the numbers which we have derived from understanding its place value. Correct? So thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And the second way is writing using words method. And when I say words, basically you're writing it, you're expanding on it using the words, the spellings of these. So 5,000s plus 400s plus 3 10s plus 2 ones. This is how you write using the words method. Okay. Now let's copy this down. So I'll just remove this one and copy this whole example here. Okay. I'll just shift it up a little bit so you can see it properly. Let's start writing place value. And just copy it as I have written here. Okay. So you understand what is the place, what is the value in that, and then how to write it in expanded form. Okay. I'll give you 2 minutes to copy all of this.
You Pranav, I have to make a call.
Advait, darling, you'll have to write all of this once you reach home. Okay. So do it as a homework part. Watch the recording once I share it and then write it down in your notebook. Okay.
Ma'am,
Varun, why have you joined in late, darling?
I didn't get time.
Okay. Start writing, copy what's there on the page here. Arav, are you done?
Almost.
Okay. What about you, Sakshi? Are you done? Okay. Did you write the expanded form as well? In both the ways? Yes? Okay. All right. Now just 2 minutes more.
Good, ma'am.
Done? All right. Okay. Let's go to the next page. And now let's discuss ascending and descending order. Okay. So can anybody tell me what is an ascending order?
Ascending means smallest to biggest.
Correct. And then what is the descending order?
That means biggest to smallest.
Correct. Descending order. So now let's take a few numbers to do the ascending and descending order. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am?
Advait? Yes.
I didn't do the first page.
It's okay, darling. Now watch the recording and do it later on after the class. Okay. Now let's focus on the ascending order here. Ascending means smallest number first, and then we keep on increasing till we reach the biggest number. Okay. Now let's do some numbers. 323, 468, 534, and 112. So tell me the ascending order for this.
Why don't you keep it on mute, Advait?
Advait, darling, keep
First
it on
will
mute.
be ma'am.
Go
Ma'am,
ahead.
first will be 112, then 323,
112,
then 621.
323. What comes after that?
468.
468 and
4,600.
not 4,000, it is 400.
530.
Yes, and 500.
534.
Correct. Very good. Now the next one, Arav, you are going to tell me. 698, 784, 431, 204.
204, 431, 698, 784.
Correct. 204, 431, 698, and 784. Okay. Now I'm going to give you 3 sums to solve in your notebook. Okay. Let's start doing it. Don't copy these. Do not copy these. Okay. No need. Just copy the next 3 and solve them by writing their correct ascending order. So the first one is 868, 688, 386, and 468. Next one is, you can start doing it in your notebook. Next one is 543, 345, 435, and 335. And the last one here is 986, 698, 444, and 589. Okay, you have 5 minutes to solve this. Write the question and then on the next line, draw an arrow to write the answer as well. Okay. Varun, darling, I can't see you. Where is your camera turned to? Just flip the camera. I think it's on the wrong side. Yes, now I can see you. Done.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
that first one you put arrow, that is another one.
Yeah, don't copy this part. Okay. Don't copy
Okay.
this part. You just need to
That-
solve these 3 questions. That's it.
Okay.
Hmm. Arav,
Then, ma'am.
all 3?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am first.
Yes, do it fast. Now 3 more minutes for you. Advait, darling, if you want, you can type your answers in the chat box and send it to me. If that is possible for you to do, you can do that. Just share it alone with me. Okay? Don't share it with everyone in the group. All right, Sakshi and Varun, 2 more minutes for you.
Ma'am, I will do it at home.
Okay.
जो इधर पे गड्ढा है उसकी वजह से पूरा यहाँ तक ट्रक।
Sakshi done?
हाँ तो एलएनटी का क्या हुआ है उसमें एक साइड गड्ढा हो गया।
Varun, are you done?
No. I'm
Last
on first
one.
answer.
Darling, do it fast. Don't waste time. Arav, yes, darling, you have a question?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, you can. All right.
Ma'am, today I got IMO, 1 medal and a certificate.
Okay, but let's increase our speed here in the class now. Okay, let's discuss the answers, everybody. What is the answer of the first one? You can unmute and tell me.
And the answer of the first one is 386, 468, 688, 868.
Correct. Very good. Sakshi,
The
tell me the second one.
And the second one is 335,
Mhm.
345, 435, 544.
543.
43.
Correct. And Arav, tell me the third one.
The third one is 444,
Hmm.
589,
Hmm.
698,
Hmm.
986.
Very good. All of you did good work. Now let's look at the descending order numbers. Okay. Now, since you know them already, I will give you the sums to solve directly. Okay. Now, what is descending order? Going from the biggest number first up till the smallest number. Now, let's do the sums. 880, 990, 1000, and 360. Second sum, start doing it in your notebook right away. Till I'm writing your questions, you can start doing it.
Ma'am, I'm
Mhm.
on question 1 second answer.
Darling, no need to tell me. Just finish it up. Once you finish, tell me that. And this time you have to do it in descending order. Again, I'm repeating from biggest to smallest. One more minute.
Ma'am, I am going to complete ascending one.
Okay, darling.
Ma'am, can I tell the first one for descending?
Yes. Yes. Just wait a minute. Let others finish and then you can tell.
गाड़ी दिखती है
Finished, ma'am.
Finished. Okay. What about you, Arav? And Varun?
Ma'am, I have done only ascending one now.
Darling,
Ma'am,
why are you doing so slow? Varun?
I am joined late now, that's why.
See, that's what happens. That's why you have to be on time. Okay. Now let's focus on the descending order. Arav, are you done?
Last one, ma'am.
Okay. Last 1 minute for you.
हाँ
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Advait, you can tell the answer, darling, for the first one.
Okay. The first one is
Hmm.
1990,
Correct.
880,
Correct.
and 360.
Very good. Varun, tell us the answer for the second one.
Second one is 898,
Hmm.
523,
Hmm.
468,
Correct.
and then 325.
Very good. Correct. And Arav, tell me the answer for the third one.
Third one will be 286, 268, 114, and 19.
109. Correct. All right. Very good. Now let's go to the next page. Now on the next page, what are we going to do? We are going to understand the numbers which are lesser than and greater than. Okay. Now you're not going to write anything. Just pay attention here.
And can you open page number 2?
No, darling, you do it later on now. We can't waste others' times in the class, right? Now in 668 and 868, which one is greater?
860 and 8.
868, correct? So which symbol I'll be using? Greater than symbol. Now in the same thing, what one is lesser? 668. Hence we will be using lesser than symbol. And if both the numbers are equal on both the sides,
We will
which
equal
symbol do
sign.
we use?
Equals to sign.
Equal to symbol. And if they are not equal, we use not equal to symbol. So this symbol you may not know, but it is not equal to. Okay. So for example, I can say 520 is not equal to 530. Understood? Now in sentences, how am I going to frame the sentences? 668 is lesser than 868. Correct? And then the other way around, 868 is greater than 668. Yes? So these are the exact words how it will be written in your questions. 868 is greater than 668. Sakshi, I think there's some noise in your background. Darling, keep on mute. Okay. And the other sentence would be 668 is lesser than. Okay. So you have to know your words properly. Because in questions, the questions will be framed using these words, greater than, lesser than. Okay. Then the other word is equal to and not equal to. Okay. So is 5 tens and 3 ones equal to or not equal to 54?
Not equal to. Not equal.
So not equal to. Correct? And now tell me this one. Let's say I have 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 8 ones equal to or not equal to 348?
It is equal.
It is equal, right? So in your questions, sometimes they'll be giving it in the words method, and sometimes they'll be giving it to you in the numbers method, that is numerical way. Another question can be something like this. Say 600 plus 60 plus 6. Is it equal to or not equal to 666?
It is equal to.
It is equal to 666. So did we understand greater than and lesser than numbers?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now let's understand the face value. Okay. Till now we were working with place value. Now what is face value?
Face value. The same number. It is the face of the number.
It is the
number.
digit itself, right? So like for example, if I'm writing number 6, what is the face value of this?
It is number 6 only.
If I'm writing number 8, what is the face value of number 8?
8.
8. Now, if I'm writing a 2-digit number, let's say I'm writing 93. What is the face value of 9 and face value of 3?
9 and 3.
9 and 3. Correct. So let's just write down this definition in our notebook. The face value of a number, I'm writing it here for you, you can copy. The face value of a number is the value of, Acha, don't write it. It will be confusing like that. The face value of a number is the digit of the number itself. Just copy this much. Don't copy the examples here, just copy the sentence, the definition of face value. The face value of a number is the digit of the number itself. Now, for example, till you're writing, just orally tell me in 2534, what is the face value of 2, face value of 5, 3, and 4?
3, 4. Value is 2, 5, 3, and 4.
Correct.
It's the
2,
same
5,
number.
3, and 4.
Ma'am,
It is the same as the digits present in the number. Correct? But now tell me what is the place value of 2, 5, 3, and 4.
The place value of 2 is 2000. The place value of 5 is 500. And
Correct.
the
Place value of 3 is
30. 4's place value is 4.
Tell me again, what is the place value of 3?
30.
30. And place value of 4 is?
4.
Correct. Sakshi, darling, you can unmute while you're answering the question, okay? So now can you see the difference between the face value and the place value? Face
Yes,
value are the digits itself, and place value is the quantity, the value of the numbers.
Ma'am, I'm done that definition already.
Okay, let's give others a minute. Just write the definition. Don't write any examples for now. Okay? And now the last topic that we are going to do, or the concept that we are going to do for today, is about successor and predecessor. So do you know that? What it is?
I know
Hold on. I didn't ask you. Just answer me in yes or no. If you know it, say yes. Okay, hold on. We'll get to that. We will get to that. I did not ask you to explain anything right now. Hold on. I know you're excited, but let others finish writing.
Ma'am, I'm already done.
Okay, what about you, Sakshi and Varun? Finished? Okay, let's go to the next page and let's do successor. What is a successor? Tell me that.
Ma'am, successor is the next number. And
Okay.
predecessor is the before number.
Now for successor, to find out a successor, we add 1. Correct? So for example, if the number is 15, what is the successor number of 15?
16.
16. If the number is 328, what is the successor number of 328?
329.
Correct. If the number is, say, 3000, what is the successor number of 3000?
3001.
3001. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes. And now for predecessor.
Predecessor we minus 1.
Yes. So we subtract 1. You can also write this down in your notebook if you want. So for successor, we add 1. For predecessor, we subtract 1. Now tell me, what is the predecessor for 15? Let's take the same numbers again.
14.
14. What is the predecessor for 328?
327.
127. And for 3000?
2099.
not 2099. Varun is right. 2999. Okay? All right. Now quickly in your notebook, make this column. as I'm showing it to you here. Okay. So make 3 columns on one page. In the first one, you're going to write your numbers. In the second one, you're going to write the successor of those numbers. And the third one, you're going to write the predecessor of those numbers. I'm giving you numbers. You have to add one and subtract one for successor and the predecessor. Okay. So just look at the numbers now. Okay. You have 5 minutes to solve this.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished? Okay. What about Varun and Arav?
Ma'am, I am about to complete.
Okay. Now, Sakshi, till then do one thing. Ask your parents to click a picture of this page and send it to me. Let me see how you're writing. And everybody has to do this, okay? Once you finish writing, just ask your parents to quickly click a picture and then send it to me. And send it in the group itself, the group that we have for our Olympiad class.
The last, ma'am.
Yes.
First page.
Yes.
Finish. Ma'am,
Yes, Varun?
ma'am, there are no, my parents are gone down to work. There is my only sister.
Okay. Then once they come back, At that time, tell them to do it. Okay. Sakshi, nice handwriting, darling. Very good. Just write a little bit bigger, no? It's very tiny. A little bit bigger. I'm talking about the numbers. Numbers are very tiny. Nice. Nice work. Okay, chalo, let's discuss the answers now. Tell me the numbers so I can write 684 successor. Unmute.
Ma'am completed. 85.
685. And predecessor.
The second one is 683.
3053. Next one.
3053.
It's not 1,000. 300.
352. I mean 353.
And predecessor.
And 351.
51. Correct. What about 491?
Ma'am, 492.
492.
2.
Correct. 490.
490.
Correct. Now what about 800? What is the successor?
801.
Hmm.
And 799.
Correct. What about 777?
778.
Hmm.
And 776.
Correct. Now the last two, 109.
110. 108.
Correct. And 219.
220. 218. Ma'am, 220.
Correct. Very good. All right.
Ma'am,
Now using the same numbers, you're going to tell me which one. So use these numbers, okay? You're going to tell me which one is the even number and which one is the odd number. Let's do that also. What about 684?
684 is an even number.
Even number. 352? Even number. 491?
Odd number.
800?
Even number.
777?
Odd number.
109?
Odd number.
219?
Odd number.
Now let's do these numbers. 685,
Odd number.
353,
Odd number.
492,
Even number.
801,
Odd number.
778,
Even number.
110,
Even number.
210.
Even number.
Very good. And now let's do this one. This last column, 683,
Odd number.
351,
Odd number.
490,
Even number.
799,
Odd number.
776,
Even number.
108,
Even number.
and the last one, 218.
Even number.
Very good. Very good. So you know your number system properly, right? So now in next class, what are we going to do? We are going to take questions based on this. So I have a workbook. I'll scan that in here in our notebook here. And we are going to do those questions in the next class. Understood? And later on, start with the next topic. Okay. So now for your homework, you're going to do one thing. Just note down your homework and then you're free to go. So for your homework, you are going to do skip counting. Everybody knows skip counting?
Yes.
Yes. You're going to do skip counting in 3, 5, 7, and 9. And let's do 10 also. So you're going to do skip counting in 3s, 5s, 7, 9, and 10 for the numbers. For the numbers 1 to 1000. Can you do that? And once you finish this homework, immediately, whenever in the week you finish the homework, before we meet for the next maths class, whenever you finish the homework, ask your parents to click the pictures and send it to me before the class. Okay? So once we meet next Wednesday, I should have everybody's homework ready with me. Is that clear? So before the class, send it to me so I don't waste any time checking it here in the class. We can do the questions directly. All right? So
Ma'am.
write down this homework.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have too much stress. What first is this one? Then I have 2 pending words of
Yes.
timer and I have football 150 passes.
All right. But you can do it, okay? Find some time in the week. You have 7 days, right? You can do it. And if you don't find time in the school days, try to do it on a Sunday. It will take you like half an hour to finish this homework, but you can do it very easily. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Is the homework clear? Has everybody copied the homework? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
All right.